Find the slope given these 2 points. To find the slope, we use the formula. Slope, or m, is equals to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. This is your x1, this is your y1 for this point, and this is your x2, this is your y2 for this second point. You can call this point A, you can call this point B if you wish. But bottom line is you need to concentrate on the y values being subtracted. I'm going to take this y2 minus y1. We're going to subtract the y's. Do not mix up x and y. So the slope is equals to 10 minus 2 divided by 2 minus 0. So what we have is 10 minus 2 is 8 over 2, which is equals to 4. So the slope is 4.